First, we need to remove the bolts that hold the CV axle to the stub shaft. Once all the bolts are removed, remove the CV axle and set it to the side. Next, we need to place a pry bar behind the stub shaft and pop it loose. Pull the stub shaft out the rest of the way by hand. Grab a bucket to catch the fluid. Use the pry bar to remove the seal. Be careful not to go too far up with it, as you will scratch the mating surface between the seal and the differential housing. Use an installer tool to install the new seal. Make sure that the face is the same diameter as the seal. To install the seal, put the flat end of the driver on the seal and then tap the other end of the seal driver with a hammer. Once the seal is installed, reinstall the stub shaft. Finally, we will install the bolts that hold the CV axle to the stub shaft. We will apply blue thread locker to the bolts. Once you are finished installing everything, make sure to double check the fluid level of the front differential. We need to spin off the fill plug, stick our finger into the hole, and make sure that there is fluid on your finger.